Good morning, Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. I'm going to be working on a Porsche Macan this morning. This is the majority of the curb rash right here. There's a few other little spots here, a couple over here. For this, I'm going to grind out the damage with the red conditioning disc, and then we'll start. I think everything else will sand out. Down here, I got to hit with the grinder too. Most of it's going to sand out. Besides that spot there. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'll get to working on this in just a minute. There's also going to be links in the description below for the products and tools I use to repair rims. And be on the lookout also. I'm working on a kit, a DIY wheel repair kit for, it wouldn't be for major curb rash, but it'll work pretty well for minor to moderate. And it'll be fairly cheap and fairly easy to use. Let's get grinded on this. So this has been repaired before. You can see where their clear coat's bubbling here, and they painted their repair rather than polishing it. This is going to be a polished finish to match the existing finish better than this does. All right. And we're going to switch over to the sander with a 320 grit disc. I'm using my new sander. This is linked in the description below also. I had one of these before, but the last time I needed one, they didn't have any available. So now that they were available again, I did go ahead and buy one. My Astro sander is still fine, but this one just works better. Set to about medium speed there, so. All right, then we will switch to the 800 grit disc. Get these 320 sander marks out of there. All right, then we'll take the 1500 grit scuff pad and go over everywhere I just sanded. And we'll clean that off. Grab an old scuff pad. You can use a new one for this too. I just keep my old ones to keep using them. Got a new bottle of the surface prep spray. Let's wet the scuff pad and go over everywhere we've worked on here. This just cleans up the brake lines between the new and old finish. All right, we'll grab the clear gun. I'm going to spray a little air over this, make sure it's perfectly dry before I clear. That surface prep does dry very fast, especially when it's this hot out. All right, I think we're good. All right, that'll complete wheel number 1 today.